Here's somebody blowing bubbles after she eats. Emery, are you blowing bubbles? You blowing bubbles? You blowing bubbles? Show us. Show me. Yes. Learning how to spit early. Uh-huh. And somebody's in her new high chair, but take a look at this. We like to stand up. Good job. Oh, thank you. Look what happened. We dropped it on the floor. You still blowing bubbles? Sissy. Sissy. Are you blowing bubbles? Show me. Show me. Are you blowing bubbles? Huh? You don't know? Where did that Good job. Good job, sis. Whoa. Good job, girlfriend.